Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning.
Present continuous form and use. So, signal words that we use in present continuous for actions happening right now. So, when we have the word now, so it means present continuous. If we have right now, it means present continuous. If we say at the moment, it means present continuous. If we say listen, it's present continuous. Look, it's present continuous. We are going to see these examples. So in this lesson, we are not going to use positive, negative question. We are going to use symbols. So the symbol plus means positive. The symbol minus means negative. And the question mark means question. So remember this. So when you have plus, it means the sentence is positive. Minus is the sentence negative. And the question mark means the sentence is a question. Why we are using this? Because we are not going to repeat all the time positive, negative, question. So you should learn them automatically. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.